Hey, how's everybody doing? It is day 18, Monster 18. So let's get this thing started with a little box at the bottom of my page. We're looking down into the box. That's the opening. And we're going to angle these in perspective down this way. There's our little box. Well done. We forgot we need a lid. It's going to go back this way. See how all those lines of perspective go back here. Back, 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 that way, back that way. Whoop. A little more like that. Okay. Box is done. You can probably figure out what we're doing pretty quickly here as I put in the thickness of the inside parts of this box. Little wooden box, inside corner, and then coming out of the box is going to be, watch this. Boing. Nope, 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 nope. Got to be over here. It's got to be over here. Got to be more like boing. Oh, there we go. Got the right angle on that one. Not the right angle, the right angle. Okay, here we go. And then around that, we're going to do a coil of a spring. Hey, here we go. A big ovalish kind of thing. And it's going to have, well, you'll see what it's going to have. There, that's there. So we already added the mouth, the stitch of mouth, and now we're putting a nose. And in the rest of this frame, we're going to do the eyes, maybe the cheekbones, a big old bone through his nose, and you can probably guess that this is going to not be a Jack in the Box, but it is actually going to be a shrunken head in the box, which is going to be great number 18 monster for our purposes. In this little frame here, we're going to erase some areas and add some hanging drool from his mouth. Only because I can do it and it's gross and it's going to look awesome in the finished product. We're going to do a pencil shading action on this guy. Use a regular number 2 pencil. A little darkness in his ears. And then we're going to take a tortillon, or a soft rolled up piece of paper like so, and do some blending overall on our whole character. So we've shaded in a lot of this character. Now we're going to use the tortillon stick to really emphasize the shading and blending. Notice I did this whole right side kind of darker than the rest of the guy. Trying to experiment here. I'm going to use try to just use one colored pencil for all the coloring on this character as soon as I get to that point. You can see how that tortillon stick is really blending where I've shaded in with the pencil. It gives him some dimension, doesn't it? Yeah, I love it. All right, now we're going to outline everything with our one color pencil that I wanted to use, this sort of reddish brown guy.
And hopefully that will give the overall tone of this Jack-in-the-Box shrunken head guy a sort of maybe a sepia or old school look.
So although I've left this guy mostly monochromatic, I'm adding a little bit of color detail like blood vessels around the eyeball to give him a little bit of a scarier, gorier look. And then I'm also going to add a little blue to his iris part of his eye, and then blue for the drool, and then finish it off with some other dark brown detailing on that little Jack-in-the-Box box. There we go. Just about done with this guy. That's Jack-in-the-Box, or Zombie in a Box, or Shrunken Head in the Box, whichever you like. Speaking of like, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. And boy, I'm anticipating day 19, Monster 19. We're closing in on 20 really fast. Have a great day. Bye now.